Hello, welcome to another garden video. Are we good here? Welcome to another garden video. Today is the 11th of June 2021, and there have been quite interesting developments in this garden, namely growth. As you can see, this is what we have now. That's what we have, and the peas are now flowering right now. I'll give you a closer look of the flowering of the peas. And in fact, I see some flowers on the potatoes as well. So that's really hopeful that there is growth, and there have been lots of meals from this garden, as you can see here, that everything is ready for food, or ready to be used as it was designed to be used. And so today we'll be exploring this garden. How about we start with the flowering peas? So starting with the flowering peas, see the lovely peas are all flowering right now, and it's really a good day today. There we go. Plants, vegetation in general, created on the third day of the creation week, I believe. You can read the story in the Bible. God said, "Let there be," and it was. And all this is God's masterpiece and the power of His word. The word of God is powerful. By the mouth of the Lord were the heavens made, and earth the host by the breath of His mouth. For He spoke, and it was, He commanded, and it stood fast. So I'll show you the flowering potato. Okay, so here we are. And that's a lovely potato over there. And there we go. And potato has some good flower. Potato is enjoying good flower. Oh, look at that ant. What do you do? Actually, two of them. Interesting. Symbiosis. Is it symbiosis? The coexistence of two organisms together. Mutual coexistence, I must say. Mutual. Anyway, so that's our potato over there. And okay, maybe today let's just look up for the flowers, right? Today we're just looking for flowers in the garden. What do you say? Well, obviously, as you can see here, it's all flowers right now. The whole garden is flowering up. That means some massive growth is about to happen. And I can't wait for the day when I will do Let There Be Peas video part 2, where we have the actual pods forming and the peas forming. Anyways, and then lastly, when we have the actual peas harvested. You can see this is how it looks before the flowers show up. It looks like that. Very interesting little thing. And then from that, it becomes that. Amazing, right? When they are cooked the right way. Or should I say prepared the right way. Arguably the best meal ever. Okay, maybe it's my bad because you can't really see, but maybe if we did that should suffice. Obviously, these will have to be washed before being eaten. Okay, that's corn over there. We are still adjusting, and can't wait for the day as well when we'll do a full corn video. go through the life of corn. Yeah. And I'll tell you a story about this corn here. So I think the main thing we can learn from these flowers is it takes time to bloom and to grow, to blossom and to begin to become. But eventually it will happen, because as you can see, my friends, it has happened for these peas, and so it can happen for you too. So just make sure you have the right amount of water, just make sure you're in the right environment, and my friend, you're going to blossom and to grow, and we will see your flowers. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you learned something from this video. Can't see anything. Well, bye for now. Before you go, so I went inside and they told me, hey, did you see the strawberries? And I said, no, I didn't take a video of the strawberries. They're like, yo, you missed out. And so I came out once again just to see the strawberries and see what the Lord has done. Now, if you haven't seen the strawberries, this will be your first time. Strawberries, where art thou? Okay, I might have to use some physical force here. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing. But what I want you to see in real life is what happens here. Strawberries are, well, I love strawberries. The tasty ones, they're really amazing. That's how it looks, really. Interesting leaf venation, or venation, or whatever you call it. Hey, move. Are you alright? You alright, my friend? You alright? Yeah, my friend's alright. You alright, my friend? Okay, my friend. You have to move for the camera to see. Yeah, and these are the ones that haven't ripened yet. Hey, move. They just look pretty cool, don't they? This is an aerial view of the... And then obviously the rest of the garden over there. Alright guys, thank you. For real now. Goodbye. Thanks.